You see that wall over there? I want to put there a print from my favorite place on my country. That's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to take the photo that I will print to put in there. I'm going, it's 3 p.m. I should be there at 4 p.m. It's 1 hour driving to get there and to take the photo. This is my favorite place. I want to take the photo from down there and I want it to be at sunset, so I still have to wait 1 hour to take it. Why is this my favorite place? Well, don't get me wrong, I love mountains, but I love sea more. Like, I love surfing, I love the sound of the waves, I love the peace they gave me. It's just beautiful. As I still have 1 hour to the sunset, let's go take a coffee. Let's talk a little about Spark. Is it worth it? I have Spark for 6 or 7 months now. So I made a big mistake when I bought Spark. And the mistake was I just bought Spark. I should have bought the Fly More combo. I just bought Spark, so the box came with the Spark and with the charger, nothing else. I had to buy the controller after that, and I only have one battery. Is Spark worth it? Well, as I was saying, if you buy the Fly More combo, totally worth it. If you buy just Spark, well, you will regret it, because the downside of this Spark is the battery. The battery only lasts for 12 minutes, and that's way not enough. It doesn't shoot 4K, but I guess the quality is pretty good. Guess it's pretty simple to use, and in my opinion, yes, it's worth it. Plus, it's the tiniest professional drone I've ever seen, so if you are shooting somewhere where you shouldn't, of course don't do that. Because it's so tiny, people can think it's just a toy and not really a professional drone. So I guess that can save you a lot. I'm finally here, waiting for the perfect time to shoot. I'm waiting for the sunset. It's starting, it's coming. It's done and it's getting cold, so now I'm going home. I'm so tired. Thank you so much for watching. Smash that like button if you liked it, and comment below if you have any questions about Spark or any other thing. Bye.